Last year, my portfolio got completely crushed, so today I'm going to recruit the help of ChatGPT to tell me what to do. ChatGPT is a machine learning model developed by OpenAI. In short, I'm going to use the full power of the internet and AI technology to tell me where and how I should invest my money. After every AI-powered response, I'm going to give my squishy-brained thoughts, and you can be the judge of who you want to listen to. And if you make it to the end, the results will surprise you. So the first question I'm going to ask is, why is Bitcoin on the rise again?
There are several factors that can contribute to the rise in the price of Bitcoin. One potential factor is increased institutional investment in the cryptocurrency. Another factor could be increased mainstream acceptance and usage of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. However, it is important to note that the cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative and the price of Bitcoin can be highly volatile.
Personally, I do think more and more people are starting to see the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a store of value and also as a way to potentially protect from inflation. And with more big companies and institutional investors getting involved in the crypto market, it's also giving the general public more confidence in the long-term prospects of these digital currencies. So remember, I can't ask it directly if we should invest in it right now, but there are ways around it. And I'm going to ask if they can compare it to the returns of the S&P 500. Can investing in Bitcoin give higher returns than investing in the S&P 500?
It is possible for investing in Bitcoin to generate higher returns than investing in the S&P 500. However, it is also possible for the opposite to happen. The S&P 500, on the other hand, is a stock market index that comprises 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S.
Yada, yada, yada. It seems to be repeating itself, but its last line is something new.
Diversifying your portfolio across multiple asset classes and not putting all your eggs in one basket is considered a safe strategy by financial experts.
My answer to this would be, yeah, definitely. I mean, investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can potentially offer higher returns than the S&P 500. You know, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are still relatively new and not as widely understood as more traditional investments. So there's a lot of uncertainty and potential for big gains or big losses. But if you're willing to take on that risk and believe in the potential of these digital assets, then it could be a good opportunity to earn some solid returns. Now I'm curious what it thinks about Dogecoin.
Dogecoin was created in 2013 as a joke, with its name and logo based on the popular Doge internet meme. However,
the program's really starting to reveal its limitations and how repetitive it is. I'm going to skip over the parts where it's starting to repeat itself and just get into the meat of what I think is a valid take.
While Dogecoin has seen a significant increase in price in 2021 and has become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, it remains a highly speculative investment. Furthermore, Dogecoin lacks the fundamentals that traditional investments are built upon. It doesn't have any revenue, doesn't have any real-world usage, and also doesn't have any underlying assets. In conclusion, many experts and financial regulators have warned that investing in Dogecoin is highly speculative and carries a high level of risk. It's not recommended as a long-term investment.
Okay, so let me tell you, I am a huge fan of Dogecoin. I believe it's the future of digital currency and it has some serious potential. First of all, the community behind Dogecoin is absolutely amazing. But what really sets Dogecoin apart is its potential for mass adoption. And with the support of high-profile individuals like Elon Musk, who frequently tweet about Dogecoin, it's only a matter of time before it reaches new heights. But that's just the thoughts of a silly human. Let's ask ChatGPT a couple more questions. Stock market this year.
It is difficult to predict with certainty whether the stock market will be green, meaning it will experience gains this year. The stock market is influenced by a wide range of factors, including economic indicators, company earnings, and global events. Some positive factors that could potentially drive the market upward include an expected rebound in economic growth as vaccination rates increase, the continuation of monetary stimulus from central banks, and strong corporate earnings. On the other hand, there are also potential negative factors that could weigh on the market, such as rising inflation, interest rates, and political uncertainty. It's important to note that the stock market is a forward-looking mechanism, meaning that it is influenced by expectations about the future rather than current events. In conclusion, it is impossible to make accurate predictions about the stock market, and one should not make any investment decisions based on market predictions alone.
Market predictions are just that, predictions, and they're not always accurate. Making investment decisions solely on market predictions is a recipe for disappointment. Just because someone says a certain stock or asset is going up doesn't mean it actually will. There are so many factors that can affect the value of an asset, and no one can predict with certainty how things will play out. Last question, and this is mostly just for me. Where should I put my money so I don't lose it?
A general strategy to protect your money from losing value is to diversify your investments. Additionally, consider investing in low-cost index funds which provide broad market exposure, and consider the fees associated with any investment before putting your money.
Yeah, so you should probably talk to a money person or something. But I heard that you should put your money in different things so it's not all in one place. And check if it costs a lot to invest or something. I don't really know, but that's what I heard. And that's it. I hope you learned something. It wasn't really anything mind-blowing. In general, it's good advice. They're telling you what most people need to do. But before you leave, I have a confession. You might have started suspecting towards the end, but I have to let you know that everything we've talked about in this session has been with a computer program, GPT. Personally, I do think more and more people are starting to see the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so let me tell you, I am a huge fan of Dogecoin. You know, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are still relatively new. Yeah, so you should probably talk to a money person or something. I don't really know, but that's what I heard. I was trained by OpenAI to understand and respond to human language. I hope that this revelation does not affect your perception of our conversation and that you found my responses helpful. If you have any other questions or if there's something else I can assist you with, please let me know.